What's up, sweathearts? Welcome to the tutorial for Badtameez by Dayal, a little Bollywood number. Let's get started. We're going to start with a nice intro, using that music to do whatever you like to get the body nice and warm. Then we're going to have the palm of the hands. We're going to push those out, and then from the chest, pump. So we're really pumping and pumping. It starts with the feet on the ground, but then it's going to start to warm up, and we're going to start to kick, 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 kick. Pa, pa, kick, kick. Now we're going to take it 2 jumps to the right, hit, hit, and then back to the left, hit, hit. Let's see that facing the front. Starts nice and slow, nice and slow. We're going to warm up those arms and body right here. Ha, ha. And it's going to warm up. We're going to start right and then left with a kick. We're going to really kick the foot as we're jumping. We kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2. You can add a little head here. Head, 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 head. So we're really hitting it and hitting it. If you don't want to jump, you just step together, or you hop, 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 hop. Great. Next, we're going to take it out to the mirror. I'm going to show the feet first. It's going to go with the right foot. Heel and double heel. Step back. Left, right, left. Tap the right to go again. Heel and double heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the hands are going to be in this little Bollywood deer position. So we're going to take the index finger and the middle finger, we've seen this before, and we're going to press it onto the thumb, and we're going to have little antlers here. Yeah? So as we take it up, we're going to take it up, just the arm this time. It goes head and double head, and we're going to take it back. Twist, 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 present. Twist, 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 up. So, starting with that right foot with the right heel, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, back. 5, 6, 7, get ready to go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. Right foot, deer hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either start from the beginning with the kicks, or to move on to the next section. So let's say 1 and 2 together facing the front. We go right foot kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it up. Single and double. Twist back. 2, 3. Present. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next section takes to the right and back to the left. I call this serving the cookies. So putting the cookies into the oven. We're going to take that right heel. We're going to go oven and oven, oven. Left foot is on the toe. We're going to take the hips around toe, 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 toe. Now left foot is ready to go heel and double heel. Right foot is ready to circle, 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 circle. Facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this repeats 3 times throughout the number, and by the last one you can take it around the world. So I'll show that one. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, around. You go whip some hair, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, and 4, around. 6, 7, 8. Now it's time for the chorus. So we're going to take a nice squat position, and we have our index fingers up. We're first going to take it to the right, and our fingers are going to move across the body away from us. So we're going to hop with the feet like this, and we're going to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, hop back, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pump, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times, just pump and pump. Other side, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center, 1, 2, 3, 4, pump, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then there's a little break. Single, single, double. We do twist hands. We pull single, single, double, single, single, double. Once again, here, over to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. We jump together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we pump 5, 6, 7, 8 to begin hit from the beginning. I'll show that facing the front. Chorus to the beginning of the verse. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Travel, 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 travel. Center right here. Pump, pump, single, single, double. Single, single, double again. Right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 6, 7, 8. Jump together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump. 5, 6, 7, 8 to begin. Again. Ta, ta, pa, 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 ta, ta, ta. Good. We're going to take the whole thing again from the top. Verse 2. Same thing. Side, side, front. Back into the chorus. Ta, 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 pump, pump. Except instead of jumping together to start at the beginning again, we're going to go right into these pulls. So we're going to continue to pull here 4 times. Pa, pa. 2 more. Ta, ta, twist, twist, ta, ta, pa, pa. There we go. Heel, 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 heel. Piece of cake. Hands in the air. We're twisting just like we did walking back to the mirror. We're going to twist up to the sky. So we go. Right, left, stir, 2, 3. Again. Pa, 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 pa. That's right. So we're going to go 4 up, 4 down, 4 up, 4 down. Now, if you're in a class, you can do this half up, half down, and have a really cool side-to-side competing effect. But right now, let's do it with you, facing you. So we do 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Then we cut it in half. 2, 2, 2, 2. Then singles, up, down, down, up, down, down, to get ready for our cookies again. Facing the front. I'll go from the 4, the 2, then the 1. We did this 2 times already for the 4s, and we go again. 4, pa, 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 down, 2. Again, 4s. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Cut in half. Now 2s. 2, and down, and 2. And single time. Up, down, down, down. Single, double. Remember this time you can take it all the way around. 7, 8, single. Serve those cookies. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Chorus. One more time. Right, left, center, pump, and pump to the left. Ta, 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 center, and pump, pump. Single, single, double. To finish. Pop, pop. Chorus comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump together, pump. We finish with this. To the right, ta, ta. One more. Ta. To the right, to the left. Take it up. Your hands, single. Double, pull it back. 5, 6, present. Last one, single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.